Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, the original lighter snake. Basically, I'm gonna do a quick market update. In my last video, I mentioned I put it into oil, and I just want to talk about market manipulation because over the weekend, oil soared over on USO, ticker symbol USO. It soared up to $130. The stock went up to. Now, this is funny because how are you supposed to buy stock over the weekend? You can't buy stock over the weekend. So when the market opens up on Monday, I went ahead and dropped about $170 into USO at roughly about 120. And of course, the stock began to drop. So I ended up putting a stop loss in for about 98 bucks, and it ended up triggering, and I sold it out. So I took that money and put it into crypto. But here's the thing. They manipulate the market so the retail investor can fail. So why put your money into the market when anytime you put it in, the only availability you have to put it in is during when the market's open. But see, retail investors like me, we don't have that ability to buy stock when the market is closed. But other high finances and hedge funds, they have the ability to just soar up the stock price and cash out when we don't even have the ability to do that. So I went and took that money and put it into crypto. And the reason is because everybody says crypto's volatile. It's too volatile. But here's the thing. You've got the Mag 7 stocks, Apple, Google, Nvidia, Amazon, all those, they're at their all-time highs. Whereas crypto, the top 10 cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, a couple other ones, they're at their all-time lows. So let me ask you, are you going to put your money in where something is already at their all-time highs? Nvidia hasn't moved probably in the last 8 months. It's going up and down. It hasn't moved much. Yes, they're volatile, but they end up evening out. So you're not really making any money. Whereas crypto is at their all-time lows. So the ability to have that go up and retest their all-time highs is a lot greater. So you have more chance of making money put into crypto than into the market. So why put your money in the market other than putting it into the SPY, ticker symbol SPY, because that has generated about 10%, between 9 and 10% for the past 50 years. So if you want to play it safe, put your money into the SPY, dollar cost average in every week, every pay period, whatever you can afford, 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, 100, whatever you can afford. Put that money in the SPY and just put it in and forget it. And each pay period, let it accumulate and let that interest continue to accumulate. I'm going to put my money into crypto because they're basically, are they at the bottom? Maybe not. But either way, as long as I dollar cost average in crypto, I'll always have the best average price. And if those cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, if those go back and retest those all-time highs, I'm going to be sitting pretty good. So that's the market update. Thank you for watching.